Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you how you can change the name in your Gmail account. Now for that, first of all, open your Gmail account on the browser. Open a new tab and type in gmail.com on the search bar. You need to get signed in into your account at first. As you can see, I have already signed in into my account. Now for you to change your name on the Gmail, you need to click on setting icon on the top, then click on see all setting. Once you're at the settings section, you need to click on accounts and import. You will see the option of send mail as, and there you can see your Gmail email address. Here you click on edit info on the side. Once you've done that, a box will where you can make changes to your name. Now here you can see a option of name and there's an empty text field. Your name in Google Accounts. The current name that shows for your Google Accounts is Alexa Blake. Now if you want to change this to a specific one, you type in another name on the below empty text field. And then you need to save the changes. Click on save change. With this, the changes will get updated and you can see the change over here. This is how you can change your name from your Gmail account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.